Hey guys, in this video we are going to see one of the Flutter vignettes by gskinner called as article dark mode. Click on the inking option which has the article dark mode. This is a sample article which we have hard-coded in our application. So this is the title of the article and this is the details of the article. At the bottom you can see there are 3 floating action buttons which currently don't do anything. Top right corner there is an icon button on clicking of which it transitions from dark mode to light mode or light mode to dark mode. Switch to dark mode now and let's switch back to light mode. Switch back to dark mode again, and this was the demo which gskinner had showed. So also if you observe carefully, whenever we do a transition from one mode to another, these 3 floating action buttons also move in and out of the frame. So say like I click on this button, just observe these 3 buttons. So these 3 buttons come out of the frame and after the animation is processed, they are again back in the frame. This is the final product of the demo which we are seeing. Now let's see how this demo progresses from one step to another. Part 1, let's click this again. In this step, we have hard-coded the data of the article and make it look alike as per the gskinner vignette. So there is a navigation bar here and the content of the article. Also, there are some specific widgets related to each step, but that would be in the article description below, which you can go through later. Step 2, let's see. So in this step, we have focused on switching or the transition between light mode to dark mode and dark mode to light mode. Also, we have taken into consideration of the animation of this particular button itself. So as we click, so it just fades in and fades out and specifically reverses itself on the reverse transition. In step 3, let's see. In this step, what we do is we move these 3 floating action buttons in and out of the frame as we do the transition. So if I click on this button, these 3 buttons disappear. As the animation completes, they reappear. Similarly, do the reverse transition. Again, it appears after it gets or the animation stops. Finally, we see in the last step, we have done the transition. Along with this transition, we see a technique called as masking. We use it to map with our home widget. So this technique is coupled together between the transition from light theme to dark theme and dark theme to light theme. The source code for this entire step-by-step tutorial is in the article description below. That's it from this video, guys. If you find this video helpful or the article helpful, kindly subscribe, and any discussion or any suggestion, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.